Feelings versus causes, confusing, not really, chill out. The movie was boring, so I was bored. The game was exciting, the points were scored. I was excited, my heart beat fast. The lesson was confusing, it didn't last. If the news is shocking, you are shocked. If the door is locking, it is locked. Wait, that's different. Inch is the thing that comes, eat is the head, the story is interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze. She was annoyed, the noise was annoying, the heat was exhausting, the sun was destroying. He was frightened, the ghost was frightening. The storm brought thunder and heavy lightning. The result was disappointing, I was disappointed. The new king was officially appointed. Inch is the thing that caused, eat it is the head, the story is interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze. Am I boring? My personality is bad. Am I bored? I have nothing to do. He is interesting, cool guy is interested, curious. Don't mix them up. Are you satisfied? Is it satisfying? I am relaxed. The music is relaxing. Yeah. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze.